So delicious, and nothing goes to waste when you make it like this. Hello, welcome to your channel and join me for how to make a green cantaloupe juice. In our family, we always use the seeds. That's what makes this drink very unique. We use the seeds, we mulch them, and it makes like this milky horchata that we incorporate within the drink. I invite you to try it and to subscribe to my channel. The first thing is to find a nice, ripe, sweet cantaloupe, especially if you don't want to add any sugar. For a better blend, only add a bit of water, especially when it comes to the seeds. Don't overload it with water. At the end, you can decide how thick or how thin you want it to be. For a smoother drink, make sure you strain it well. Use water throughout. Helps you pick up all that goodness that's left behind and also helps you strain everything much better. And here is the milk from the seeds. I'm so excited. It's so delicious. I always like to take a little shot before I mix it in. Love it. Anyhow, can't have it all for myself. I will now incorporate it and mix it very well. It's good. It doesn't even need any kind of sweetener. Yay, it's like over 5 cups of this wonderful drink. Enjoy! Cheers! Thanks for watching and come back. Come back, grab your seat, because remember, el que se fue a la villa, perdió su silla. Adiós!